Yo, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to make this effect inside of After Effects in just a few minutes. It's super quick and easy, so no long talk this time, guys. By the way, we're so close to 1,000 subscribers, so hit that sub button. It literally takes 2 seconds out of your guys' day and it helps out a lot. Please just hit that sub button, guys. Come on. It also shows me that you guys want more of these types of videos. But enough talk, let's hop right into it. Starting off the tutorial, I have my clips split already right here. I'm going to be doing the transition between these two clips. And what I'm going to do first is come over here and add an adjustment layer, and I'm going to be adding an effect called optics compensation. And I'm going to make sure to check this box right here, the reverse lens distortion, and I'm just going to increase the field of view to something like 120 or maybe even more. Let's do 137. He looks crazy, but yeah, 137 is good. Keyframe the field of view, and I'm gonna go 6 frames back. 1 2 3 4 5 6 frames right here, and I'm gonna bring this down to 0. Same thing for the other side. I'm just gonna copy and paste that keyframe. So now it's gonna start looking like this, and what I'm gonna do is grab these keyframes and easy ease them, and I'm gonna use this extension called flow to just make the keyframe look a lot better. And if you guys don't have flow, you can just copy the graph right here. And the next effect that I'm going to be throwing onto this is going to be a deep glow. And if you guys don't have deep glow, you can just use regular glow. And I'm just going to bring the exposure down to 0.7. I think that's fine. I'm going to keyframe the radius and the exposure. Click U to bring those keyframes up right there. And I'm just going to go, let's say, yeah, let's go 2 frames back, bring that to 0. And we're just going to do the same thing for the other side. We're going to go 2 frames and just make that 0 and easy ease those. So now it's going to look like this. And now for the last effect, I'm going to be adding some turbulent displace to just seal everything together. And I'm going to make the amount something like, let's say 65. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, okay, that's what I was going for. So I'm going to keyframe the size, and I'm going to click U to bring up that keyframe. And I'm going to go all the way to, let's say here, 3 frames behind the initial keyframe, and bring this down to 0 or to 2, which is the maximum you can go down. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other side, and I'm just going to easy ease this. And what I'm going to do right here inside of the effects controls is I'm going to actually grab deep glow. I'm going to throw it on top of optics compensation. So we're going to get a different kind of glow like that. You can even throw the turbulent displace on top of the optics compensation. And as you guys can see with the turbulent displace on top of the optics compensation, we still do get some of the effect. It's just a lot quicker and a lot more subtle. And if I were to place this back underneath the optics compensation, as you guys can see, the effect is a lot more visible, but I think I'm just going to leave it on top of the optics compensation so it's a bit more subtle and we still have that warping going on. So that is it for the effect. Literally takes a couple minutes to make. It's super hard, adds a bunch of energy to your clip. Like if I were to play this without the transition, it just looks pretty bland, pretty boring, but with the transition, it just adds a lot of energy and a lot of sauce to it. And if you guys are interested in getting a bunch of energy presets like these ones where you can just literally drag and drop effects and transitions like this, I actually have 2 energy packs. I have the Energy V1 and the Energy V2, and I also have a bundle deal for both of them. So if you guys want some drag and drop transitions, hits, shakes, flickers, etc., check out my energy packs. I'll have it linked down below. And that is pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next in the comments below. I'll be making tutorials on any of your guys' suggestions, so just let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget, guys, we're almost at 1K subs, so please hit that subscribe button and show some love. Anyways, I will be catching you guys next time. See you soon, and peace out, guys.